Are you looking for the top 5 travel gear you need from Amazon? Everyone thinks the best-selling travel gear on Amazon is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Hagen Pro Rain Ponchos. First up, we have the Hagen Pro Disposable Rain Ponchos. Priced at just $12.99 for a pack of 5, these caught my attention because of their practicality. If you want to stay dry during unexpected rain without lugging around a bulky coat, these are worth a serious look. The Hagen Pro ponchos offer reliable rain protection with full-length coverage. At 48 by 40, they're designed to keep you completely dry, whether you're commuting or attending an outdoor festival. Plus, they fold down to a tiny 4 by 6, so they easily fit in any bag or glove compartment. What really stood out to me was how lightweight they are, perfect for travel where every ounce counts. With over 30,000 sold in just the past month, it's clear people are recognizing their value. Now, some people complained about the ponchos being a bit crinkly and not the most stylish option. Here's the thing though, they're disposable, so you're getting practical gear that won't weigh you down, and you can toss it after use without a second thought. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable backup for those unpredictable weather days. Skip this one if you prefer a more fashionable rain option, but honestly, for the price, it's a smart buy. Now, if the idea of disposable rain gear doesn't sit well with you, the next
Product number 2, Fmida 65L Duffel Bag. Next up, we have the Fmida 65L Duffel Bag, priced at $18.99. Right off the bat, the large capacity and foldable design caught my eye. If you want something that can carry all your travel essentials without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This duffel bag expands to a generous 65 liters, which is perfect for a weekend trip or gym gear. What's great is that it can be folded down to just 10.24 inches by 9.6 inches, making it extremely convenient for packing. The water-repellent material means your items stay safe, and the separate shoe compartment is a thoughtful touch to keep your clothes clean. Plus, it has multiple pockets for easy organization. This really matters when you're on the go and need to grab something quickly. Now, some users mentioned that the zippers could be a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you. While I understand their concern, the price point makes this bag a fantastic value for occasional travelers. If you treat it with care, it can last quite a while. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, spacious travel bag. Skip this one if you're a frequent flyer and need something more durable for constant use. Either way, this bag is a steal for the price. Product number 3, FYY Travel Cable Organizer. Coming in hot, we have the FYY Travel Cable Organizer, priced at just $9.95. I was drawn to its compact design, and honestly, if you struggle with tangled cords while traveling, this is worth a serious look. This organizer features a double-layer design with 8 compartments, making it easy to keep your cords, chargers, and other gadgets neatly organized. The dimensions are 7.5 inches by 4.3 inches by 2.2 inches, which means it fits easily into your backpack without taking up much space. The water-resistant fabric protects your gear from spills, and the mesh pockets allow you to see what you have without digging around. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly been a hit. However, some people found it to be a bit small for larger cables. Here's the thing though, it's ideal for most standard accessories. If you have bulky gear, it might not be your best choice, but for everyday use, it shines. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need to keep your tech tidy. Skip this one if you have a lot of large cables or accessories. For the price, it's a great investment in hassle-free travel. Now, if organizing your gear isn't enough and you need something to transport heavier items,
Product number 4, VoIP-V Folding Hand Truck. Next on the list is the VoIP-V Folding Hand Truck, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention is its impressive weight capacity of 500 pounds. If you need something sturdy for transporting luggage or heavy items, this is definitely worth a serious look. This portable dolly cart features a collapsible design with 6 wheels, making it easy to maneuver even with a heavy load. The elastic ropes it comes with are a nice touch, ensuring their items stay secure during transport. Imagine being able to move all your bags in one trip. With 8,000 sold recently, it's clearly a go-to for travelers. However, some customers mentioned that it can be a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing though, It's designed for heavy-duty use, so a little bulk is expected for that kind of capability. If you're looking for a compact option, this might not be it, but for serious transport needs, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel with heavy gear or equipment. Skip this one if you're just looking for something lightweight and portable. It's a solid investment for serious travelers.
Product number 5, Waterfly Sling Backpack. Finally, we have the Waterfly Crossbody Sling Backpack, which retails for $24.99. I loved its versatile design, and if you're looking for a comfortable, everyday carry bag, this is worth a serious look. This sling backpack is compact at 7 by 3.5 by 15 inches, but it has several compartments that can hold everything from your iPad mini to smaller essentials like keys and makeup. The adjustable shoulder strap allows you to wear it on either side, which is great if you prefer switching it up throughout the day. Plus, it's water resistant, making it suitable for light rain. With 6,000 sold recently, it's definitely a favorite among casual travelers. However, some users pointed out that it might not fit larger water bottles. Here's the thing, a bottle pocket is included, but if you carry oversized bottles, it may not work for you. For regular use, it offers great functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and practical bag for everyday outings. Skip this one if you need substantial storage for bigger items. At this price, it's...
So to wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Hagen Pro rain ponchos are your go-to for sudden downpours, while the FIY duffel bag offers spaciousness without the bulk. The FYY cable organizer keeps your tech in check. The VoIP 5 folding hand truck is perfect for heavy loads, and the Waterfly sling backpack is great for daily use. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your travel style the best.